All right, so let's get started. So we have saved our template for industrial management engineering on a safe spot in our computer that we can easily access and locate. So as an IME here, you will see several different acronyms for the major and the department that you are a part of. Industrial and Management Engineering, or IME, is the name of the program and the degree you'll receive. ISYE, or Industrial and Systems Engineering, is the name of the department. So let's first take a look into the full template for IME. So here you'll see the courses for all 4 years of the RPI degree for IME, separated by fall and by spring. For many courses, there are footnotes that give more information about that specific course and things that you will need to know. So taking a look at the first year for the Industrial Management Engineering curriculum, these are the courses that you will take in your first semester here at RPI. First, Chemistry 1. Next, Introduction to Engineering Analysis, or IEA. This course is kind of like the physics of engineering. So if you do not have previous experience with physics from high school, or you'd like to kind of refresh, you may want to take Physics 1 before taking Introduction to Engineering Analysis. Next is Engineering Processes. You'll see here that there is a footnote that corresponds. Going back to our full 4-year template, footnote number 1 says Engineering 1200 and Engineering 1300 may be taken in either order. Engineering 1200 being Engineering Graphics and CAD. Engineering 1300, which is the course that we're concerned with, may be replaced with ISYE 1100, Introduction to Industrial and Systems Engineering. Footnote number 1 says ENGR 1200 and ENGR 1300 may be taken in either order, which I'll get to in a moment here. ENGR 1300 may be replaced with ISYE 1100, Introduction to Industrial and Systems Engineering. As an IME, I recommend that you take this course, ISYE 1100, over ENGR 1300. So Introduction to Industrial and Systems Engineering is a seminar-based course where you will get to learn about what industrial and systems engineers do, about the department, the research, career prospects, and things like that. Going back to our first year here, the next course is Calculus 1, and then the last course is IHSS, or Humanities or Social Science elective. So you'll see here the IHSS prefix. For your Humanities, Arts, and Social Science elective, or HAS, IHSS means an interdisciplinary HAS course. You will want to take an IHSS course sometime during your first year here at RPI. Let's say that you come in with either college, AP, or prior credit. We can kind of plan your schedule accordingly based upon the courses that you'll be bringing into RPI with you. So for instance, let's say that you came in with Calculus 1 and you also came in with Physics 1. Taking a look at our template here, we can kind of see which course you should follow up with for the next thing. So Calculus 1 naturally has Calculus 2 as a course that comes next. Would recommend that you do this and keep the math train going. And then say that you already had Physics 1. And this is a good thing to have before IEA. So in this case, you should be good to go in terms of taking Introduction to Engineering Analysis during your first semester. Taking a look into the next semester briefly, here are some courses that you will be taking. First is Computer Science 1. And then the next one is Engineering Graphics and CAD. I'd mentioned that we would revisit that one. Footnote number 1, which should make a little more sense, says ENGR 1200, or Engineering Graphics and CAD, may be replaced with ENGR 1400, Engineering Communications. So because these courses are pretty interchangeable, as an industrial management engineer, you really have your choice between. Engineering Graphics and CAD is a course that is strictly CAD. Engineering Communications has CAD and then also word processing software. So I would say it's about 50-50 in terms of which one industrial management engineers choose to take. Going back to our first year plan, briefly, just to kind of loop back and see what we had talked about, we went over the first semester, which courses you should take, in addition to what you should do if you come in with AP or prior credits. Lastly, some of the differentiation with engineering processes versus intro industrial and systems engineering, engineering graphics and CAD versus engineering communication. Also have in mind plan A, plan B, and a plan C for registration. This is in case a section or a course that you'd like to take is closed, if one of the courses that you choose has a conflict with another course, and so on. Or if you have any questions, you can always feel free to reach out to me. I'm available by phone, via email, and then also if you wanted to meet, either have a phone conference or if you're local, we could meet in person as well. Feel free to contact, make an appointment with me online, and we'll go from there.